Hello guys, welcome back to new video. In today's video we are going to see how to make carousel post for Instagram, so let's get into the video. First open up the canva.com. Then click on create and select dimension as 2160 into 1080. In the next step, take the square and place it in the first half of image, so that you can recognize two images separately. After that, create the design you want to add and download your image. Once image has been downloaded, open the second website from description. Load the image from Canva and select the split to horizontal, and number of images to 2 and hit split. That's it. Now post these 2 images to your Instagram. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.